On Monday, an earthquake measuring 5.4 struck off the coast of Portugal. The tremor occurred at 5:11 local time. The epicenter was in the Atlantic Ocean at a depth of 70 kilometers, 84 kilometers south of Lisbon. The earthquake was also felt in Morocco and Spain. There was no threat of a tsunami. The earthquake is the strongest in the region in the last 15 years. Eyewitnesses are sharing footage of the natural disaster on social networks. Furniture shook in houses, objects fell from shelves. Some residents left their homes. There were no reports of injuries or serious damage.